Hey guys, so I've already done the other eye off camera, so I'm just gonna prep the other eye. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer just to prep the eye, and I'm gonna be going in with that eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow I got it from China City, and basically what I'm doing is I'm going in with a blending brush and I'm just blending everything out there. And I'm just moving in circular motions, and when it comes to applying the eyeshadow like up there on my brow bone, I go really lightly and I just try and not be too harsh with the brush. And I'm just gonna go in with that shadow there, and then I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner of the eye and just basically just blend. I feel like it was really easy to create this look. Like there was nothing much to it at all. So in there I'm just applying that thingy, that bright, I don't know what color this is. I feel like it's orange, but it's red. Yeah, that color. I'm applying it there, and I'm basically just blending everything out. I'm so sorry, my voice sounds bad. It sounds bad like all the time. I feel like my voice sounds bad all the time, but like today it's just worse because I've got flu. So I'm going in there with that NYX eyeliner, and I'm just basically putting some eyeliner. Is that eyeliner? Liquid liner. And I'm just going in with that Essence mascara, and I'm applying the lashes there, as you can see. I think I want to stop talking now because I feel like, oh my gosh, my voice is not the greatest. Okay, so we're done with the eyes, and now we're just gonna move over to the face, and I just need to quickly wipe off this thing that fall out there from the eyeshadow. So guys, can I tell you, like, my boyfriend got me this makeup towel remover. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really sweet. So I normally complain about like having to use wipe to wipe off my face when I have a full face beat on, or like having to wash my face. And he's been listening to all the complaints. So he had went to Discam and got me this. So let's see if it works. The glove. This is how it looks like. Oh. Actually. Okay. So I don't know. It's from Basics Beauty. I don't know if this is no like kind of makeup, but like yeah, this is what he got me. I think this was really sweet of him. So now we're just gonna move over to the face, and we're just going to apply a bit of setting spray first, just to prep the skin, and then I'm gonna move on to using this. So this is a foundation I'm trying out from Sorbet. I'll list down all the details for you guys. Okay. So I'm going in with that Sorbet foundation, and this is in the shade Caramel, but I will list down the details for you guys in the description box because I'm not too sure about the number. So basically I'm just blending it out. It is a bit too orange-ish. I don't know. I'm not too sure about it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me film, and yeah, thank you guys so much. Up until next time, bye.